What is it?
Fidget toy!
Fidget toy reviews. And today it's going to be even more special because we are doing a
Fidget toy
giveaway.
We have two for you and I have two for me.
No, it's one for you and one for
you.
a lucky subscriber. Wait till the end of this video so we can let you know the rules.
So you have to like and subscribe and put that notification bell. If you subscribe and put that notification bell, you'll get the fidget toy.
All right, so let's go ahead and unbox what we will be giving away.
Well, this one is...
It came in this little nice box.
I know, but this one is mine because it's broken.
This is all yours.
Okay.
All right, so to open this bad boy.
What do we have to do? You know it.
Oh, I do. It says to pull right here.
Wow. This one's strong.
Thank you.
Ooh, how did you do that?
All right, so let's pop it open here.
It went on the plate.
Okay. All right, so here's what comes inside. And Jamie's gonna open each one and show you guys.
I want to.
Okay.
Let's see what we got.
What's that one?
This one is a squid. Let's open it. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
I was a little bit excited.
Okay, so while she opens one, I'll open one.
I opened a strawberry man.
Put it closer.
You got a donkey and I got a strawberry. Is that funny?
All right. That's cute. It's kind of like a squishy.
It went on the floor.
Oh no! It's dead.
No, it's not.
It's so squishy I can eat it.
Like a marshmallow.
Like a marshmallow.
Now let's open something else.
Okay.
Oh, there's a guy. I think it's a banana.
Oh. So I got one of these stress ball reliever thingies.
Can I squish it?
Oh, whoa!
They squish.
It turns, so it's green.
Red. I want to squish it.
It's a strawberry.
No, it's not.
Show them what it is.
It's a banana.
Whoa! I'm a chicken nugget. Look, I got something really cool.
Whoa, can I go squish it?
Yeah, it's a dinosaur. Now go squeeze it, Jamie.
There's Orbeez. I used to have this, right?
Yeah, there's Orbeez inside.
Okay.
Awesome.
Well, I got one. It's
And with
this.
Mommy's hair on it.
I get this one.
Did that come in there?
Uh-huh.
Whoa.
It's so big. Like, it's big like a box. But it is a box. Yeah.
So while she's opening that, it also comes with a Rubik's Cube.
Whoa.
Woo!
Whoa.
What do you got there? R2-D2? It looks like a Star Wars character. What does it do?
You have to press them and then they go out.
So it's a cube magic ball.
What do they
Looks
do?
like this.
Did you show the Rubik's Cube?
I did.
Oh, I wanted to show the Rubik's Cube. But it's okay. I'm going to go get something.
So this is
Or that.
what it came in. I'm not sure what it does. I think you just press it.
Yeah, you press it.
And then...
I love squishing the Orbeez. Hey, I'm going to...
Comment down below if you know what it does.
Oh my god, I found something so cute. It's a little...
Show them what it is.
Look.
Grasshopper?
No, it's a bean.
A green bean?
Huh?
Whoa, so cute! So I think it's a keychain maybe? And look what comes out of it. Ah, it's so cute! So cute, so cute!
Trying to solve this.
We can do that later.
I want to solve it.
Okay, we'll solve it after we do all of it. Look, show that one.
This is a thing that you just, it doesn't
I think
even...
it's one of those that you take apart and you can put them back together. Like a little puzzle.
Whoa, I got monkey noodles. Monkey noodles, here he comes. Monkey noodles.
Here's another squishy little thing.
Wait,
I'm gonna
that's
say
a
it's a
mochi.
porcupine.
No, it's a mochi. It's a mochi.
Mochi?
We call it mochi.
Okay, it's a mochi porcupine.
Aww. Hi. We have some this.
What is that?
It's a monkey noodle.
A monkey noodle?
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
A little hard there. Oh,
Well, you did it hard too.
is it a straw?
Okay, I found
So it
something
comes
else.
with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 crazy noodles.
Oh my god. I
Oh no!
opened these 3. Need to get this back. Stop, you're gonna mess up my hair.
It's a monkey attack!
Look at these little buddy.
What do those do?
You press the circle thing, they're marbles. When you press them, they go up and down, up and down.
That's it?
Huh?
And they came with
3.
3 of them.
And we have something else. We have a jump. We have a thing.
A slinky.
We have a slinky. A slinky is a fidget toy, right?
Yeah.
Is it?
No, I don't think so.
Well, we don't know.
Then it comes with a foam basketball.
It comes with a sling.
Catch it! Catch it!
I got it. Don't
No.
I got this, which doesn't do anything.
So it's one of those where you can take apart and put back together.
Like squishing this.
Then it comes with another foam ball, but this time it comes with numbers. You can add, subtract, multiply. Catch it!
You didn't catch it.
You
guys.
didn't. Then it came, you already did that one. So there's,
Wait, I know what's this.
huh?
Wait, I know what it is. It's a thing in the...
I remember these when I was in high school. Actually, in middle school. These were fun. You can take them apart and put them together.
Well, I have this. What should it do with this?
What does it do?
Okay.
Good question. Here, let me show them. Do you guys know what this does? I'm not quite too sure what it does.
I know
Comment
what it
below
does.
if you know what it's called. And then lastly, Jamie's opening. Not sure what it is.
It's a snake.
A snake?
Yeah, I think. I am opening the snakey.
3 hours later.
Look at it. Look. It's a snake. We can probably like jump rope in it. It's a snake. You go like...
And that was all that was in the giveaway box. All right. Thank you guys for hanging tight with us through the whole video.
Yeah.
All right, let's go over the giveaway rules.
What is
One
it?
of our lucky winners and subscribers will get
lucky.
That's okay. At least they tried, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They'll get one for their mom and dad.
Their mom and dad can buy them one?
Yeah.
Okay.
If somebody has a lot of dollars.
Okay, so we're gonna go over the giveaway rules. So you must be subscribed to It's Jamie Time.
Yeah, or else you'll get this.
Must be located in the U.S. Unfortunately, at this time, we are not shipping internationally. Maybe in the near future.
Yeah.
And you must comment in the comment section below what your favorite toy is.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the winner will be selected through the comments, where we put it through an online random generator wheel thing that everybody uses nowadays. Again, this is completely free. This is not sponsored by YouTube. This is from our own pockets, aka
Daddy's pocket.
Yeah. All right, so once this video is uploaded, that's when the contest starts. And we have until May 16th is when we're gonna announce the winner. So we wish you guys all the best of luck. Again, the rules will be in the description box below. If I'm talking too fast, it will be down there. Okay, so this was a fun video, don't you think?
Yeah.
I'm excited to see who our winner is.
Who is the winner?
We won't know till May 16th.
Yeah.
All right, so thank you guys for watching. See you to our next video.
Remember to like,
subscribe,
and put that notification bell.